RENPHO sent us this foot massager for our review, and I'm so excited because A, I absolutely love RENPHO, and B, foot massagers are the best thing ever. So love that the screen up here is really easy to use and very clear. You have your power button. You of course can put it on a timer, which is fantastic. You can have 15 minutes or 30 minutes. I'm all about that 30-minute timer. Of course, you have your knead intensity, you have your air intensity, and you can even put on some heat. And you have your low, medium, and high. I'm definitely a high girl. I like everything on high. I like to feel that pressure. So I'm putting my feet in here for the very first time. I have not tried it. I read that this fits up to men's size 12, and I definitely can feel it because like I've got lots of room up here, which is really great. So this is definitely can be used by many people. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on, and then so I'm going to, okay, I'll leave the timer for now. Let's go ahead and so hopefully you can see that. So there's a little red light under each of the intensities. So right here, like check this out, air intensity. Right now you can see it's on low. There's medium, and then that is high. We definitely want it on that high. It's kind of hard to see them because I have so many lights in the bedroom, but it is very easy for the eye to see. And then I'm going to go ahead, and heat is just an on or off. So I put that heat on. Like right away, I'm just like, I can feel it is like squeezing my feet. There's some really great like balls underneath there. So they're all, I love that these machines when your feet are completely inside of it because you're just getting it from all angles. Like the top of my feet are being squished. The bottom is getting that nice kneading. Honestly, like this is all I need after a long day on my feet. It feels absolutely fantastic. RENPHO never disappoints.